Hey, what's up? I'm Jer. This is Dashy. Let's get to it. So you can see we haven't really posted that many videos, and we don't really have that many views. Here's why we should get more. Dashy just launched into the Google Chrome store 2 days ago. This is what you can do with Dashy. Regular Chrome browser with Dashy. So here's Google Bard, the competitor for ChatGPT. And here's your calendar, stocks, crypto, customize your dashboard, notes, news, you get the idea. So when you get this extension, you'll also get a new tab homepage that looks like this. You can move the widgets around anywhere, or you can right click and arrange them like that. So on the right side, you move widgets by clicking and dragging them like this into whatever order you want. So I like having chat on the top. And so this is Google's Palm, I guess they call it Google Bard. There's a lot of different names, Google AI, Google Bard, and it says, if you ask it, what language model are you? It'll say Palm 2. So this is the competitor for ChatGPT. It's different, but I think it's pretty cool, and it's really, really fast. So you can use Google's Bard inside of Dashy's side panel right here while you explore the internet. Go do, like for instance, go cruise the Chrome store or check out YouTube, and you can just keep this right here with you. Or if you don't want it, you can just close Dashy by hitting that button right there. So let's just talk a little bit more about Dashy. We've talked about like how to organize widgets. Let's talk about how to customize them. So you can change to solid and dark, for example, and change to a different font, and you can change the size like this. You can show the quote, auto hide the doc or not. So down here is where the doc exists. If you hit this D, you'll open up Dashy Chat at any time. This is the widget explorer. You can search into it to find what you're looking for, or just scroll with your mouse like this. And this is My Dashy. You can manage your account and move over to different profiles. And different profiles can have totally different background setups too. And you don't have to change profiles in your toolbar. Like this profile is the same, I'm signed into the same place, but using a different account. So that one is Boom. I'll jump over to Boom here too. And then let's just go to, I don't think there's anything on this one. Yeah. I guess there is some stuff on here. So you can create and switch between 3 profiles, and all of them can have whatever you want on them. And you can just quickly switch back between them too. So let's see. Perfect. So if you have a Chrome, like a Google Calendar, you can just put it right here and jump into your meeting just like that. And if you want to add meetings, just hit this plus sign. You can pick the time, pick the day, add a meeting link if you want, and then confirm it. All right, cool. So this is the stocks widget. You can add any stocks you're looking for. All right, and then here you can add any notes. You can color the notes too. Add as much as you want. This can be as big or as small as you want it to be. You can add attachments too by clicking here. You can favorite it so that your note will always stay on the top, or just delete it if you want to. Let's change to glass and light. And here's some keyboard shortcuts that you can use. Arrange widgets, change wallpaper, open chat, dark mode, light mode, notifications, hide all the widgets. Hotspots are, you can actually have different corners do things, so this will change the wallpaper. Anything you want to do, like so this corner, we can have it like launch a site. Let's launch Google. And let's just see how that goes. Cool. So you can have your hotspots be any site that you want, or any action that you want. So instead of launch a website, let's not do change wallpaper. Let's open our calendar. So if you don't always want to have this calendar like right there, you could go here and hit it, and it'll bring you to that spot. So let's go away from it, and you'll see your calendar. So you can do anything you want with all 4 corners. That's called hotspots. There's also notifications in here. If you want to, you can have notifications in Dashy. The notifications are like reminders, to-dos, any alarms that you set, your meetings, stuff like that. Here's the different profiles that we've went through. You can jump through all of them using that same space right there, or this one right here. Okay, so let's see. Here's the news widget. You can go and add any RSS feed you want. Just click right here, add your source, and then validate it right there. Or just use any of the ones that we added. I think we have like 60 in here. Don't quote me on that. How many do we have? Quite a few. We also have a podcast widget that is very similar to that. This is how you get a podcast widget. This is called the Widget Explorer, and then hit podcast, and there it is. So let's see, how many do we have here? So we have quite a few. You can add your own too. Same thing as the news widget. So just click on any one that you want, like Business Wars, hit follow, and then you'll load all of them and it'll be up here for you to click. So Carefully Reckless, let's add that one, and Code Switch. So you can go through whatever episodes they have available, 18 hours. Okay, let's see.
There's a new way to support
Cool. So that's podcasts. So let's just go ahead and let's close everything. Right click and close all these widgets. You can also minimize them and they'll appear right here in this tray. They'll also be over here in this tray. But since we have auto hide on, it's not going to be easy to see. So let's take that off, show the quote. Close and close the bookmarks. All right, so when you get to the end, Dashy's going to tell you add a widget to get started over here. Or you can just have a clean homepage. It looks just like this. All your new tabs will look like that with whatever background you want. All right, so that's how Dashy works. I hope you like it. I hope you had a good time. Talk to you soon.